Let us solve for x and y, given 3x plus y is equal to 12. S squared plus sy is equal to 20. 3x plus y is equal to 12. Let us call this equation 1. S squared plus sy is equal to 20. Let us call this equation 2. Now from equation 1, 3x plus y is equal to 12. Let us make y the subject. Y is equal to 12 minus 3x. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, x squared plus xy is equal to 20. Now let us substitute for y, which is 12 minus 3x. S squared plus s bracket 12 minus 3x is equal to 20. S squared plus s multiplied by 12, that will give 12s, then s multiplied by minus 3x, that will give minus 3s squared is equal to 20. S squared plus, this is 12s minus 3s squared minus 20 is equal to 0. Then here we have s squared, and this is minus 3s squared. This will give minus 2s squared plus 12s minus 20 is equal to 0. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. The whole of this can be written as 2s squared minus 12x plus 20 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by 2. This can be written as s squared minus 6x plus 10 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 10. S is equal to minus bracket minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 10 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus is 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 squared, that is 36, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 10, that is minus 40, divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 40, that is minus 4, divided by 2. And this can be written as 6 plus or minus square root of minus 4 can be written as square root of 4 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. S is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 and square root of minus 1 is I divided by 2. This can be written as 6 divided by 2 plus or minus 2I divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 3, 2 here 1, 2 here 1. S is equal to 3 plus or minus I. Therefore, S1 is equal to 3 plus I and S2 is equal to 3 minus I. These are the values of S. We've gotten the values of S. Let us solve for Y. To solve for Y, from equation 3, Y is equal to 12 minus 3x. Y1 is equal to 12 minus 3 bracket S1 is 3 plus I, and Y2 is equal to 12 minus 3 bracket S2 is 3 minus I. Y1 is equal to 12 minus, if you open the bracket, 3 times 3, that is 9. Then minus 3 multiplied by I, that is minus 3I. Y1 is equal to 12 minus 9, that is 3 minus 3I. Y1 is equal to 3 bracket 1 minus I. This is the value of Y1. Also, Y2 is equal to 12 minus 3 multiplied by 3, that is minus 9. Then minus 3 multiplied by minus I, this is plus 3I. Y2 is equal to 12 minus 9, this is 3 plus 3I. This is the value of Y2. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 3 plus I, 3 minus 3I. Then S2, Y2 is equal to 3 minus I, 3 plus 3I. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. 3x plus y is equal to 12. S squared plus sy is equal to 20. Let us consider this using this s1, y1. You may also use s2, y2. 3x plus y is equal to 12. This can be written as 3 bracket s is 3 plus I plus y is this 3 minus 3I. 3 minus 3I must be equal to 12. 3 times 3, this is 9 plus 3 times I, 3I plus 3 minus 3I must be equal to 12. This cancel this. We have 9 plus 3. This is 12. Is equal to 12, which is true. Now let us consider this. S square plus sy is equal to 20. Now this will be 3 plus I all square plus 3 plus I multiplied by 3 minus 3I must be equal to 20. This is 3 plus I multiplied by 3 plus I plus 3 plus I multiplied by 3 minus 3I must be equal to 20. This 3 times 3, that is 9. Then 3 times I, that is plus 3I. I multiplied by 3, this is plus 3I. Then I multiplied by I, we have plus I square plus 3 times 3, this is 9. Then 3 multiplied by minus 3I, that is minus 9I. Then I multiplied by 3, this is plus 3I. I multiplied by minus 3I, this is minus 3I square must be equal to 20. Here we have 9. 3I plus 3I, that is I plus this 3I, making plus 9I, then plus this 9 minus this 9I, then I square minus 3I square. This will give minus 2I square must be equal to 20. This cancel this. Now we have 9 plus 9. This is 18 minus 2I square must be equal to 20. I square is equal to minus 1. 18 minus 2 bracket minus 1 must be equal to 20. 18 minus 2 bracket minus 1, this will give 18 plus 2 must be equal to 20. 18 plus 2, this is 20, is equal to 20, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.